Good morning, student. Today we are required to discuss about the calculations of new ratio in case third. When the old ratios and gain ratios are given. When old ratios and gain ratios are given. Case third. When old ratio and gain ratios are given. Gain ratios are given. Then there is two steps we might be going to follow here. When old ratios of all the partners and the gain ratio of remaining partners is given in the problem, then the new profit sharing ratio is to be ascertained. Okay, the new profit sharing ratio is to be ascertained while following the three steps. First, share gained, we should do first share gained, and then new shares, and then new profit sharing ratio. Okay, first share gained we should going to calculate here. So then, for example, we will going to be write. A, B, and C are the partners. Atwa A, B and C are the partners. Okay, are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of sharing profit and loss in the ratio of I think in the ratio of 5:3:2. 5:3:2 respectively. 5:3:2 respectively. Full stop. The next here, B retired from the business. See that B retire from the business. Over B retire from the business, and his share is gained by his full stop. His share is gained by A and C. His share is gained by A and C in the ratio of 2:1. 2:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratios. So now calculate new profit sharing ratio of A and C. Let's the first ascertainment of new profit sharing ratio of remaining partners, or the calculation of new profit sharing. First, given what they have given. See that the given old ratio that is here are A, B and C in the ratio of 5:3:2, then 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10. Then new ratio अथवा gain ratio अथवा gained ratio is given, that is 2:1. Then B is retired 2/3 and here 1/3. This is given. Then calculation of solutions here. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. sharing ratio of A and C. A and C. Let's say first there are the two steps. We don't know the share gained illa. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ನಮಗೀಗ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು? ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ calculations of share gained. Then first formula ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? share gained is equal to share gained is equal to retiring partner share. ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. retiring partner share into gain ratio. Retiring partner share into gain ratio. What is the retiring partner shares? See that share gained by A is equal to retiring partner shares 3/10 into gain ratio of A 2/3. 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 6/30. 6/30. Okay, this is the gain ratios, or we can say there is an 6 1 ಅಥವಾ 3 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 3 2 3 10 ಅಂತಲೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, the share gained by C is equal to retiring partner share same 3/10 into his share 1/3, then 30/3. then ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? R is equal to 3/30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6/30, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3/30 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. The next step 2 calculation of, now this is step first. ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು calculation of new profit sharing ratio of A and C. Then new profit sharing ratio is equal to formula. There is an old ratio ಅಥವಾ old share plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ new profit sharing ratio ಅಥವಾ new profit sharing ratio is equal to old share plus share gained. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ share gained, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, there is a new share ಅಥವಾ new profit sharing ratio ಏನು ಬೇಡ, new share of A is equal to old share ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಒಂದು? old share 5/10, new share share gained 6/30. ದೆನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 30 ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು 30 ತೊಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ. 10 1 10 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 1 10 3 ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್. 5 3 15 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 6 ಈ ಥರ 5 3 15, 6 1 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದೆನ್ 21/30. So then new share of C is equal to his old share. C's old share is 2/10. and share gained is 3 by 30. Which one is higher? Then you should put it here 30, and 10 1 ja, 10 3 ja, 2 3 ja, 6 plus, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು minus ಅಲ್ಲ, sorry, ಇದು plus, and 3 1 ja 3, then 9 by 30. 9 by 30. Okay, therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, therefore new profit sharing ratio ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, new profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio of A and C is equal to 21 by 30 is to 9 by 30, or 21 is to 9. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 3 ಜಾ 9 and 3 7 ಜಾ 21, or I mean 7 is to 3, 7 is to 3, 3 7 ja 21, 3 3 ja I mean 9. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್, ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, then we should put it as it is. Okay, this is the way where we should going to be calculate new profit sharing ratio when they have given old ratio and a gain ratio, when they have given old ratio and a gain ratio. Okay, one more problem you might be write down here, then one more problem should be going to be do on this. This is a A B C or PQR, ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ವೆನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ, ವೆನ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೇನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂದಾಗ, ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್, X, Y and Z, X, Y and Z are the partners, X, Y and Z are the partners sharing profit and loss, write down, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 1. This is the old ratio, 2 is to 1. This is I mean X, Y and Z are the partners sharing the sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2 is to 1. This is a old ratio, ಇದು old ratio. Then ಯಾರು ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Y retired from the business. ಯಾರಮ್ಮ? Y retired from the business. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಉಳಿದ್ರು? X and Z are the partners. X and Z acquired, and his share is acquired by X and Z. His share is acquired by X and Z, only in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Only in the ratio of 3 is to 2. His Y retired. His share is taken by his share is taken by or acquired by X and Z in proportion of X and Z in proportion of 2 by 3 and is to 1 by 3. 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Idu gain ratio 1 by 3. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Same. This here old ratio is given, and who is retired? Y is retired, and share acquired, gain ratio is given. Let's first given old ratio of X, that is old ratio 2 is to 1, then X, Y and Z. X 2 by total madi 5, then 2 by 5, then 1 by 5. Then there is gain ratio gain ratio is also given. Gain ratio, who is retired? Y is retired. Then in ಯಾರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? X and Z ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು 2/3 X ಇಂದಾದರೆ and 1/3 Z ಇಂದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Then calculation of step first ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Step first, calculation of share gained ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. share gained by X and Z. Then share gained is equal to the formula it is share gained is equal to retiring partner share into gain ratio into gain ratio. The next, share gained by that is called X is equal to retiring partner share 2/5. You should take here 2/5 into and the X share gain ratio 2/3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 2/3. So then 5 3 ja 15, 2 2 ja 4, 4/15. The next, share gained by Y is equal to retiring partner share 2/5 into his share 1/3. Then 15/3, 3/15. 3/15 is the share gained of X 4/15, share gained of Z 3/15. Okay, there is a 3/15. So you neatly write down here 3/15. Let's now the step 2. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Calculation of share gained ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶೇರ್ ಗೇನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ is equal to old share. Okay, there is an old share and plus share gained ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. old share plus share gained. Then old share usually here yardu new share is equal to new share of X is equal to old share 2/5 plus there is share gained 4/15. ಯಾವ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 15 is a more. Then 5 1 ja 5 3 ja ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 4 1 ja 4. Then here 10/15. And the next new share is equal to new share of Z is equal to new share of Z is equal to his share is old share is 1/5 plus share gained 3/15 is equal to this is a 15 ಯಾವ್ದು highest ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ 15. Then 5 1 ja 5 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 1 ja 5 1 ja 3 1 ja 3 and there is a Okay, 1 by 12. First test is the 1 by 4. Just wait. Sorry. This is a ratio. What I have given is just wrong. So, illi now 1:1:1 ide idu. Sorry, 1:1:1 ide ratio. So, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Sorry for this. I think this is also 1 by 4 into same 2 by 3 and all. Then you should going to be get a 12 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 4 3 2 and 1 2 ಓಕೆ 2 1 2 ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇದು ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 1 by 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಕೆ. So then here would like to discuss here old ratio is 2 by 4 plus new share, share gained 2 by 12. So that here ಯಾವ್ದು highest ಇದೆ 12 ಇದೆ, 12 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 3 2 ja 6 and 2 1 ja 2. Then here 8 by 12. The same here ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 by 4 ಜೆಡ್ ಇಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇನ್ ಶೇರ್ 1 by 12 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 12ಗೆ 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ. ದೆನ್ 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 1 1 ja 1 then is equal to 4 by 12. Therefore new profit sharing ratio is equal to 8 by 12 is to 4 by 12 or 8 is to 4. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 2 is to 1 is the ratio. Sorry for this, I have said wrongly in the problem. So then make it correct and you should do it. Okay. So thank you for all.